Parts of fire extinguisher. The main parts of fire extinguisher are: first, the cylindrical tank. It contains the extinguishing agent to suppress fire. The valve mechanism, which is responsible for controlling the flow of extinguishing agent. Carry handle allows for easy grasping, lifting, and carrying of the extinguisher. Operating lever that can be pressed or squeezed to operate the extinguisher. Pull pin prevents accidental discharge. Tamper seal placed to keep the pull pin from falling out accidentally. Discharge hose allows the extinguishing agent to travel from the tank to the base of the fire and enables the user to aim the flow of the agent. Nozzle. The hose's conical end out of which the extinguishing agent disperses. Pressure gauge indicate if the pressure is at recommended pressure level. If the arrow of the gauge is in the green, it is properly charged. If it is to the left of the green, it is undercharged and will not have enough pressure to work properly. If the gauge needle is to the right of the green, it is overcharged and is a hazard at risk of exploding. CO2 extinguishers do not have pressure gauges. Note that fire extinguisher should be reconditioned yearly to assure its mechanism is working properly. It should also include instruction label. All properly operating fire extinguishers should have a legible instruction label on the extinguisher's tank that provides instructions for proper use and which type of fire it is intended to be used on. Monthly and annual inspection tag, where your professional fire and security provider will record the date and essential information behind the required annual maintenance inspection. This tag will be useful in proving compliance with local codes and in ensuring that the extinguisher is receiving the proper care that it needs to operate correctly when needed. The extinguisher should be reachable and is not blocked by furniture, doors, or anything that may limit access during an emergency. It is properly mounted in the path of an exit and away from heat sources, and the pressure is at the recommended level. In case of fire, before attempting to extinguish a fire, call for help or the nearest fire station. Evacuate everyone from home or establishment. Secure an exit free from fire or smoke before approaching a fire. If you have the correct extinguisher, then just remember T. Pass. T. Twist the pin. P. Pull the pina. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire from a safe distance. S. Squeeze the lever to discharge the agents. Sweep them from side to side. Also consider the wind direction to prevent chemical taking your way. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.